think I hit a wall. Late nights on you.
Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today I will be filming a very exciting video. Even though it was a lot of work, a lot of struggle, I'm really excited to show you this makeup tutorial that I've created with the one and only Kat Von D 10th anniversary palette. And just look at this gorgeousness, like, oh my gosh, how pretty is this palette. So I created this eye look using this beautiful palette. Wait until you see the inside. Makeup lover's dream. So this is the palette. It comes in, it's actually bigger than I thought. When I first saw it, I thought it was pretty small, but when I actually got it in the mail, oh my gosh, it's super big. It has a nice beautiful size mirror right here, so clear, and then we have all the beautiful shades on here. It was really captivating, and I just knew when I saw it that I really needed to get this palette. So I decided to do a colorful eye look, incorporating the green and the yellows and the reds and the warm tones over here. Really pretty, really nice. So yeah, super excited for Kat Von D. This palette is gorgeous, really sturdy. Love the gold packaging. So it came in this gold unicorn right here, then it has the shades in the back. And what's so cool is that there is a shade that is named Nancy, my name. How cool is that? Just feel so inspired when I look into this palette. I'm just amazed. Just really inspired me a lot. Really want to dip into all of these beautiful colors eventually. So yeah, I will probably do more than one video. I'll probably do another eye look for you guys with this palette, so don't think this is the last one. I will be having more videos of this palette because it's just so pretty, and love the gold detailing around the palette itself. Super pretty. But yeah, that is the palettes for you guys, and I will be creating this look for you all. I really hope you guys like this, and if you guys would like to see how I achieved this look, then please continue watching. Alright, as you can all see here, I have already prepped my face, did my brows, foundation, and I did some concealer, and I've done my eyes on this side, and it's a really colorful look. Because of course I am using this beautiful palette from Kat Von D. This is the 10-year anniversary palette, and it is so beautiful. Kat Von D drew this herself, and couldn't be more happier to get my hands on this palette. Just on the inside was what really drew me in. The colors, so beautiful. I really had a lot of struggles deciding how to do this eye, but this is what I came up with. Let's jump into this eye look that I have on here. And for the first shade I'm using is called the shade Nancy. Yes, I know I am literally using my own name, but this color is so beautiful. It's like such a good transition shade. I'm going into Malice to kind of deepen up that crease shade. Next, I'm going to cut my crease, dipping into my Makeup Revolution concealer, and I am going to conceal the whole eye. Just slowly take your time. Next up, I'm going in with this small precision brush from e.l.f. I'm going into the shade Adele. I'm going to draw the outline of wing liner. This big wing. So slowly bring it up to the other shade. Okay, if it doesn't look too perfect, I am going to fill it in anyway. Go and fill in with this nice green shade. Leafar is what I'm assuming it's called, Leafar. Going into this nice yellow shade called Egypt. I'm going to put that right smack in the middle. Such a beautiful yellow. I want it to be a little more sparkly, so I will be going in with the Midnight Cowboy heavy metal liner from Urban Decay. Just going to put some of that all over. And then with the actual Kat Von D tattoo liner in the shade Trooper, I'm going to be outlining. As you can see, I've darkened the liner, and I'm just going to fill it in a little bit more because some color got rubbed off. Just going to put a liner right across my lid. Nothing special. I'm going with my lashes. This is the Lily Lashes in the style Miami. Alright, so lashes are on. Let's go ahead and work on the face for now. And I am going to conceal underneath my eyes. Beauty blender. Oh, this is the Real Techniques one. And then I mentioned this amazing powder in my April favorites. This is the Hydra Mist Set and Refresh powder from Becca. Does that? Ooh, you see all that powder? Dusting everywhere. Go into the bronzer, and I have my Marc Jacobs Fantastic Bronzer. Really been enjoying this bronzer here. Go and bronze the cheeks. Go and put some bacon underneath. Then I will be going to this tiny little blush by Benefit, and this is in the shade Gold Rush. It's a nice peachy shade. Area. The shade is kind of like luminoso, I feel. Kind of have that highlighty look to it as well. Alright. Then let's go back into the eyes. Go in with Nancy underneath first. Go in with Malice, end with the darker shade, and let's go in with Adele. For the inner corner, I want to go in with shade Gina. Because it is Kat Von D's palette, let's add some stars on our eyes. And this is the Milk Makeup Tattoo stamp. And this is a cute little star. I've used this before. Right on the side here of my eyes, on both sides. So pretty. Haven't used this in a while, so I think it's super cute. And then let's finish off with some highlight. I'm gonna go in with a gold highlight, and it's gonna be an oldie but a goodie, and this is the Ofra Rodeo Drive. Really dirty because I've worn it a lot. Let's put that right underneath the star. Right there's, we have to the other side. Ooh, the highlight though. Lastly, I'll be using this Anastasia lip palette. So I'm thinking about going into the shade right here. Nice brown shade. This is the lips.